Hey guys, it's Glen. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Hope the volume's good for you. Just wanted to jump on here quickly and do a little review of a launch that's going on right now and why you should be on it. If you've been seeing my emails, I'm sure you're clicking through them and you're going to George's Super Funnel. Now, I'm actually working closely with George. He's helping me basically set up another funnel very similar to his, which is very, very cool. But let me just jump on here, see if anyone's jumping on groups. Um, can make sure the volume's down just so I can see you guys' comments. Oh, I think there's comments now in here. Let me just, oh, hold on. You might have to, oh yeah, there we go. Cool. I can put that right up there so I can see it. All right, so here, let me share my screen. Right there. This is Super Funnel Hero, guys. You've probably seen it around. This has sold 25,000 copies. This is what George uses to make like $1,000 in 24 hours. He's also made $42,000 using this exact method with it in basically his basically free. He did it all through Facebook. So the training is really, really good. So why do you want this? Guys, it is so easy to use, especially if you're brand new. I just want to show you, quickly walk through it for you. So you come in here. This is your back office. Welcome to Super Funnels. You just go to step one. You watch the video. It's literally 3 minutes long. You join the Facebook group. You continue next step. You go here. You put in your Warrior Plus ID. So it's super easy. You go click here to join Warrior Plus, and then you just put your Warrior Plus ID in there. You go to the next, continue to the next step. You go to OLSP. I've been a member of OLSP for many years now with Wayne. It's an amazing train. There's so much training in there, guys. You will lose yourself in training there, but it is so good. And then you put your OLSP username in there, and boom, you get done for your traffic, and you just go forward that way. Now, what it is, it's basically all funnels. So for me, this system is different because I've got my own front end that I'm collecting because I already have funnels and stuff like that. But for you guys, and I think I'm going to actually reset this up and start using these landing pages as my front end because I can actually put people through into these programs because I'm missing out on some of these by using this. And I use basically a very, very similar capture page on my my own front funnel, which is this one here. So you guys just basically, you just copy the URL and you go send traffic at it, and that's it. Everything is done for you guys. It's all completely done. There's a couple other settings. You just go through the video setup. There's training here. All your leads get put in here. Even if you don't have an autoresponder, your leads can go right into here. But you do want to set up your autoresponder. You get all the trainings, killer follow-up, done for you services. These are some upgrades that you can get if you want. There is resources that basically he recommends. I recommend. It's in my all my stuff. And you've got swipes, like all the swipes that are going to go. These will be sent out for you if you don't have an autoresponder set up, but I recommend setting up your autoresponder. Traffic, where to order traffic, leaderboard, and products, and that's it. So it's really, really easy to use. Now, so if you haven't got it already, get it because it's on sale right now. I think it's $7 to get, like, basically what I showed you is $7. If you want to get the upgrades, get them. The killer follow-up, but you have to understand, this is for people that you're just struggling. You're not sure how to get going. You just want to get going. Well, this is basically done for you. For $7, go point some traffic to spend $50 on traffic, or go in there and use this Facebook method. Set up your Facebook profile how you want it to be set up. Make sure you have your link in there, which would be directing to one of these funnels in your bio, and then do what he says. He gives you Facebook posts for you to do so you can engage people, and people are going to come back to your profile they're going to start seeing that people are interacting with you. They're going to go check out your bio, and boom, your link's going to be in there. They're going to click the link. They'll go over and do it. And that's exactly how he built his business. That's how we all basically started doing our Facebook business. Why don't we do Facebook so much now? Because we can afford to buy traffic. And instead of spending 30 minutes or 45 minutes a day on Facebook, I spend 5 minutes a day writing emails or 10 minutes a day writing emails, and then I just go buy traffic because it's I save so much time. But if I was broke, if I had no money coming in, then I would definitely be spending that time on Facebook. And that's exactly what George teaches you. Basically, and what's really cool is working with him. It's such an amazing person to work with. This system that you're getting, every about 6 months, he tweaks it and he makes it better. So you get that. He's not like, oh, you're going to pay for 2.0. There's so many people launching on Warrior Plus and stuff. They put out a product and then they put out 2.0 and then they put out 3.0 and then they put out, all these different versions of it, as opposed to just updating the original software. So what he does, he says, you buy it once, you come in here, you get it, you get all the upgrades. They just keep coming like that, right? Because at the end of the day, he wants you to get into his high ticket coaching program, but he's going to help you make the money so you can afford to do that, which you can then basically, he's not going to say, oh, buy it now. He's going to say, no, I want you to go make money, go make a bunch of money. And then when you've got the money to do it, then I want you to come in and do my $10,000 coaching program. He's very, very smart. He's actually giving the people to earn the money in order to afford his services. My color looks really weird on my screen today. I don't know what's going on. I have a white glare here. Oh, it's from the window. That's what it is. All right, guys. So make sure you grab it. If you haven't grabbed it, go check the email from me. It's the only link that I'm putting out in my email today. If you're not on my email list, then message me in the group and say, hey, Glen, I don't get your emails, because you should be, because I send out trainings. I send out a ton of stuff in there for free. And I also send out what's working and what's not working. I try to only promote programs that are really working really well. So you want to make sure you get on there. If not, private message me and I can get you a link to it. I've also added a ton of bonuses. So if you check out the email, there'll be a ton of bonuses, a whole bunch of other programs that you'll be able to get into, use, and make money with. All right, guys, have a great day. I will see you on the next one. It's the last day of school for me, so it's going to get busy here for the next 2 months for summer. So hopefully where you are, you're having a great summer's coming to you, and I will see you on the next one. All right, guys, cheers.